All right. Thank you, everybody, for joining us today. I'm Valerie Lockhart from Code Savvy, and we're going to do a part of our virtual series. This episode is about frameworks for software development and then stacks. And our guest speaker today is Katie Stairs. So I will turn things over to Katie and have her introduce herself and give her talk.
Thank you, Val. My name is Katie Stairs, as Valerie said. I received my full stack software engineering certification from Prime Digital Academy in March. And I've been splitting my time between freelancing and volunteering since then. I met Valerie at a networking event a few months ago. And when she reached out to me about this presentation, it just felt right. It felt like the right thing to do. It felt like something that I could use more information on. And so it was really helpful for me to put this together too. Just all felt good all around. So I'm grateful and delighted to be here. Thank you. So to kick things off here, hello, welcome to Software Development Frameworks, a high-level overview. My name is Katie Stairs, and in the next 30 minutes, we'll delve into the world of tech stacks, front-end, back-end, and full-stack frameworks, exploring their significance and some commonly used examples. Frameworks are the backbone of software development, providing structure and efficiency to our projects. Choosing the right framework can significantly impact the development process, leading to scalable and robust applications. Frameworks are foundational. They offer pre-built structures, libraries, and tools. They are necessary for developmental efficiency. They provide reusable components and guidelines, speeding up the development process. Frameworks focus on application logic and enable developers to concentrate on writing the code that bridges the gap between back-end business logic and user interface, rather than repetitive tasks. They provide a structured environment and use standardized methodologies and best practices for consistency. Frameworks enhance productivity, reduce complexity, and ensure better maintainability of code bases. And they foster collaboration among development teams by providing a common scaffold and structure. A software stack provides a cohesive environment for developing applications by offering a set of technologies, tools, and frameworks that work together to support the entire development process. It typically includes components for both the front end and back end of an application. Here's what a stack helps provide. Unified environment. A stack integrates various technologies, ensuring compatibility, smooth interaction between different layers of an application. Consistency. It promotes consistency in development practices, code structure, and methodologies across the application. Efficiency. By offering predefined structures and tools, a stack streamlines development, reducing the need to reinvent solutions for common problems. Scalability. Stacks often include components designed for scalability, allowing applications to grow and handle increased user loads or data. Rapid development. Stacks may come with pre-built functionalities, templates, or libraries that accelerate the development process, enabling faster prototyping and deployment. And they include best practices. They often embody established best practices and standards, aiding developers in creating robust and maintainable applications. In essence, a stack provides a comprehensive and structured foundation for building applications, ensuring compatibility, efficiency, and adherence to industry standards. Let's begin by understanding front-end frameworks. These are the tools that help in building the user interface and user experience of web applications. They streamline development by offering ready-to-use components and efficient data binding. Excuse me. One of the most popular front-end frameworks is React.js, known for its component-based architecture and virtual DOM. Angular and Vue.js are also widely used, each with its unique features catering to different development preferences. Each framework possesses distinctive strengths, tailored to accommodate diverse developer preferences and the specific demands of various projects. So just to break these down a little bit further, I wanted to go into each individual framework. So for React.js, key features include component-based architecture, virtual DOM for efficient rendering, as mentioned before. Also, JSX for easier templating, unidirectional data flow with Flux and Redux, excellent community support, and flexibility in integrating with other libraries. The highlights include popular for building, or one of the highlights is that it's popular for building interactive user interfaces, known for its reusability and performance optimizations. With Angular, the features are, they have a full featured framework and two-way data binding, dependency interjection, TypeScript-based comprehensive tools, CLI, powerful router and forms module, and strong enterprise support. The highlights include ideal for large-scale applications, emphasizes modularity and testability, robust ecosystem provided by Google. So for Vue, we have a progressive framework, lightweight and easy to integrate, offers a simple and adaptable ecosystem, a virtual DOM rendering, excellent documentation, and gradual adoption. It's known for its simplicity and ease of learning, strikes a balance between React's flexibility and Angular's structure, suitable for small to medium-sized projects. Moving on to backend frameworks. These are essential for server-side development, handling of databases, server logic, and APIs. They provide structure and tools for building the core functionality of applications. Express.js, based on Node.js, is a lightweight and flexible framework commonly used for building APIs. Django in Python and Ruby on Rails offer powerful features and rapid development capabilities, suitable for various project sizes. Each of these backend frameworks excels in different areas and caters to various project sizes and developer preferences. They aim to streamline the server-side development process while offering unique features and strengths. With Express.js and Node.js, the key features are that it's a minimalist and flexible framework. Middleware-based, enables quick server-side application development, provides robust routing and HTTP utilities. It has a vast ecosystem of plugins. It's ideal for building APIs and single-page applications, promotes scalability and performance due to its non-blocking input-output structure. Django and Python, key features, high-level Python web framework, follows the batteries included philosophy, includes an ORM, which is an object relational mapper, admin panel, robust security features, built-in authentication, and versatile templating. Known for its rapid development capabilities, it emphasizes dry, don't repeat yourself principle, suitable for complex database-driven applications. So for Ruby on Rails, it is a full-stack web framework in Ruby. It prioritizes convention over configuration and follows MVC, which is Model View Controller architecture. It includes a powerful ORM called Active Record and has automated testing and scaffolding for rapid prototyping. It promotes developer happiness with its elegant syntax, emphasizes productivity and ease of use, and is favored for building web applications with shorter development cycles. Now for full-stack frameworks. Full-stack frameworks combine front-end and back-end technologies, providing a unified development environment. They streamline the entire development process, enabling seamless communication between different layers of the application. Mean and MERN stacks, leveraging JavaScript throughout, offer a consistent development experience. LAMP stack, combining Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP, has been a long-standing choice for web application development. Each of these stacks represents a combination of technologies to suit different development needs and preferences, offering distinct advantages in terms of technology choices and ecosystem coherence. So for the Mean stack, it is a full stack JavaScript framework comprising of MongoDB, which is a NoSQL database, Express.js, a backend framework for Node.js, Angular, which is a front-end framework, and Node.js, which is a JavaScript runtime. It offers a unified JavaScript-based development environment across the entire application stack, allowing for efficient code sharing and ease of development. The MERN stack is a full-stack JavaScript framework comprising of MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js. It is similar to the Mean stack, but uses React.js instead of Angular, providing a more flexible and component-based approach to building user interfaces. The LAMP stack is the traditional web stack comprising of Linux, which is an operating system, Apache, which is a web server, MySQL, which is a relational database management system, and PHP, which is a server-side scripting language. It is a long-standing and widely used stack, especially in the open source community, suitable for building dynamic web applications, particularly content-driven sites. In conclusion, today we've explored the key aspects of tech stacks and front-end, back-end, and full-stack frameworks. Remember, the choice of framework and/or stack should align with the project's requirements, scalability, and your team's expertise. Thank you for joining today's session. I encourage you to delve deeper into the diverse world of software development stacks and frameworks. Exploring these tools further will not only enhance your understanding, but also empower you to make informed choices that drive innovation and efficiency in your projects. Happy exploring and have a great day.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Katie. I do have a couple of questions if you're open to that.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. So number one, I guess, in your opinion, what are some of the frameworks that might be good for beginners? Like if they were just getting started, like what might be a good place to start to learn about some of these frameworks?
Well, I started personally with the most popular one, which is React.js.
Okay.
And so that is but also Vue is very good for smaller or middle-sized, like medium-sized projects. So it depends also on the size of your project. React isn't great if you're just like building a little timer or something, because everything is so related, it's all relational and broken down so much. So it depends a little bit on the project as well. But,
so
yeah.
Vue might be better, or was it Angular that you said is better for smaller?
The Vue, I believe, is more like user-friendly for the developer. Yeah.
For a little component of something, and then maybe the React is better for like the whole application.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, no, the components would be in React as well. Like a smaller web page. Like if you just wanted a page with like content on it, or yeah.
And then, do you have any tips or tricks for people that, like, if you're thinking about a project, anything that would help them decide which maybe full stack to use? Like, what do you think about when you think about those kind of things?
Well, I would take into account like the developer's knowledge base. Some of these are better on Microsoft products, and some of these are better on Apple products. And like what you want to build, there are just so many factors in thinking about like where previous experience came from. But I would say, like, if just in general, if you're sitting and you're thinking of an application, I highly utilize ChatGPT and other AI. I would just ask an AI, I'm thinking just build out what you were thinking of, and then say which framework should I use. I mean, that's a really helpful thing to do. Or you can ask other people stuff like that too.
Yeah. So one thing we have with the new advancements in ChatGPT, and it will get better. Obviously, it's just beginning, but you can actually take a picture of like an algorithm or like a process diagram, and it will help you write that code. So there's some cool things coming out. But it's interesting to think about how obviously developers are going to use that, to help them, but you still have to kind of have that background knowledge of what they're good for and that kind of thing. So you can make informed decisions when you're building an application.
Definitely. Yeah.
Cool. I guess lastly, how can people get in touch with you if they would like to? And then, if there's a way that they can find you or reach out if you have social media or wherever you can be found in the world.
I will, in the chat here, I will drop my LinkedIn.
Okay.
That is one of the best ways to reach me. Also, I am on GitHub. So if you want to see any of the code that I've written or any of that. So I'll drop the LinkedIn first, and then I'll drop my GitHub in after.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So LinkedIn, we'll share that.
Yeah, and then I do also try to network. I want to try to get out. My 2024 year resolution is to try to network more in the community here in Minnesota. So maybe you'll see me out in the world. Yeah.
That would be awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for your time today, Katie, and we'll talk to you very soon.
Yeah. Thank you for having me.
All right.